Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to create a drop down menu in Figma. Now guys, the first thing that you need to do is of course go to figma.com and you'll be greeted by a screen looking similar to this one. Now guys, when you're here you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you do not have one, you can always go and register to Figma. But guys, if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to Figma videos where you can see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have, as I said, Figma official website where firstly you have your profile where you can see some themes that you put. So you can put a light theme, dark, or a system theme. You have your settings. You can get the desktop application if that's much easier for you. You can add another account and you can log out of the account that you're in at the moment. Here you can search for anything basically that you want to search for. So for types, by anything, basically what you want to search for. We have your themes here. We have your drafts, which I at the moment don't have any. You can go and have deleted drafts, the ones that you just made. You can view plans here. If you at the moment I have a free plan, but if you want to get another plan, you can go there. And you also have your favorite files. Here you have your themes. So basically this is my theme project that I can go and create another one. And in the top right corner, we have the design file where you can design. We have the import and the plus Figma Jam board. Now guys, I'll be showing you how you can actually create a drop-down menu in Figma. Well, first of all, you will need to go and download this plugin here. So you can do it here, open it with Figma, basically. And then when you do it, you can go and do it with that plugin. And guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative. If you did that, guys, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, put the notifications on. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye, guys.